Imagine this, that you're fast asleep, the world around you is quiet, but your bank account, it's growing. This isn't a fantasy. It's called passive income. And today, I'm going to reveal the best ways to make money while you sleep. Methods that real people are using right now to build wealth and create financial freedom. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. These are real, tested strategies for people like you. Whether you're 18 or 60, whether you're working a 9 to 5 or running your own business. We'll break down exactly how to start, what you'll need, and how much you can realistically expect to earn. So, grab your coffee, sit back, and stay with me for the next few hours because this might just be the most important financial lesson you ever hear. Let's unlock the true potential of your time, even when you're not awake to see it. Number 1, understanding passive income. Before we dive into specific methods, let's make sure we're all on the same page. What is passive income? Passive income is money earned with minimal effort once the initial work is done. It's not no work, but it's front-loaded effort that keeps paying you over time. Active income equals trading time for money, like a job. Passive income equals setting up a system that earns for you, whether you're working or not. Common myths about passive income. It's effortless. It's instant. It's only for the wealthy. It's only online. We'll bust all of those myths today. Number 2, dividend-paying stocks. Let's start with a classic, dividend stocks. What it is, these are shares of companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. How it works. You buy stock, company earns profit, you receive dividend payments. Pros, truly passive, requires little management, great for long-term wealth. Cons, requires initial investment, not quick money, risk of stock value fluctuation. Example, if you invest $50,000 in a 4% dividend stock, that's $2,000 per year just for owning the stock. Best platforms, Fidelity, Vanguard, Charles Schwab. Number 3, real estate rental income. Next up, rental property. This is one of the oldest passive income strategies. How it works, buy a property, rent it out, collect monthly rent. Pros, property typically appreciates. Tax benefits, monthly cash flow. Cons, high upfront cost, maintenance and tenant management. Market risks. Pro tip, use property management services to make it more passive. Alternative, if buying property is out of budget, look into real estate investment trusts, REITs. You can invest in real estate without owning physical buildings. Number 4, create and sell a digital product. Here's where things get scalable, digital products. You create it once and sell it forever. Examples, ebooks, online courses, templates, music, stock photos or videos. Where to sell? Gumroad, Teachable, Etsy, Amazon KDP. Why this works? People are always looking for valuable information, tools, and entertainment. Once you create the product, automation tools handle the rest. Realistic income. It depends on niche and marketing, but many creators earn $1,000 to $10,000 plus per month from one product. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to make money while you sleep. How it works. You recommend a product, someone buys, using your link, you earn a commission. Where to promote? Blog, YouTube, email list, social media, top affiliate platforms, Amazon Associates, ClickBank, share a sale, impact. Tip, focus on products you genuinely use and believe in. Trust builds long-term income. Potential, $100 to $10,000 a month, depending on traffic and niche. Number 6, licensing and royalties. Create something once, get paid forever. If you're a musician, writer, designer, or software developer, you can earn royalties or licensing fees. Examples, music tracks used in videos, book sales, artwork licensed for commercial use, software with license keys. How to start? Register your work. List it on platforms like Pond5, Getty Images, Amazon, or Envato. It's one of the most sleep-friendly ways to earn. Number 7, peer-to-peer lending. P2P lending lets you become a bank. What it is, you lend money to individuals or businesses, you earn interest as they repay. Platforms, Prosper, Lending Club. Pros, higher returns than traditional savings. Diversifies your income sources. Cons. Risk of borrower default. Returns are not guaranteed. It's a bit riskier, but with diversification, it can be a smart passive play. Number 8. YouTube automation channels. Did you know you can run a YouTube channel without ever showing your face? Welcome to YouTube automation. How it works. You create a faceless channel, outsource script writing, voiceover, editing, upload regularly, earn through ads, sponsors, affiliate links. Niches that work. Finance, motivation, tech, mystery/true crime, monetization, YouTube AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate products. Once your videos are up and ranking, they continue to earn views and revenue forever. Number 9. Build a niche website. A niche website is a small site focused on a specific topic, like camping gear, coffee equipment, or fitness routines. Monetize with ads, Google AdSense, Ezoic, affiliate links, digital product sales. Why it works. Evergreen content continues to bring traffic for years. Example, a blog about minimalist home design can attract thousands of monthly visitors, bringing in money through ads and links. It takes time up front, but once it ranks, it's a machine. Number 10. Print-on-demand pod. Pod allows you to design products like t-shirts or mugs and sell them without holding inventory. How it works. Upload design, customer orders, pod company prints and ships, you earn profit. Best platforms. Printful, Teespring, Redbubble. Passive? Yes, once the designs are up and ranked. Add SEO titles and descriptions for organic traffic. Number 11. Mobile app or software development. If you're tech-savvy or willing to hire a developer, creating an app or SaaS tool is a high-leverage move. Why it works. Apps can serve thousands of people at once. Example ideas. Habit tracker, budget planner, social media scheduler, monetization, in-app purchases, subscriptions, ads. Big earning potential, but it's a long game. Number 12. High-interest savings and cashback cards. Not glamorous, but still counts, making your money work harder. Options. High-yield savings accounts, cashback credit cards, bank sign-up bonuses. It won't make you rich, but it's completely passive and risk-free, combining streams for real growth. Here's the truth. Most millionaires have multiple income streams. Start with one. Master it, then add another. Eventually, you'll build a portfolio of passive income that works around the clock. Don't chase overnight success. Chase sustainable systems. So there you have it. 12 powerful ways to earn money while you sleep. Some simple, some advanced, but all of them real. Now it's your turn to decide. Will you keep trading hours for dollars? Or will you start building systems that pay you forever? Whether you're starting small or thinking big, there's something here for everyone. If this video opened your mind or inspired you in any way, subscribe to InvestoSphere for more deep dive videos like this. Like the video, leave a comment, and let me know which income stream you're most excited about, or which one you're already doing. This isn't just about money, it's about freedom, and it starts while you sleep. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.